G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a quick little video on installing the upgraded air filters, the pre-filter and the other one. If you know what they're called, let me know. Dual air filter, maybe? Yeah, something like that. So we'll give it a go. It's supposed to make the engine run a little bit smoother, a little bit better, a little bit cleaner. So let's get to it. I've got some Allen keys. You need your key obviously to get the seat off. It shouldn't take too long. All right, let's go. Also, I've been told by my dealer that these filters come pre-oiled, ready to go, so you shouldn't need any of that stuff yet until you pull them out to clean them. All right. Okay, seat off. So hopefully, let's adjust this. We need to remove this and we're going to take the snorkel off completely once we're in. So let's find out what size Allen key we need. Got a few lined up here. 5mm too big. 4mm. Alright, so we've got to take this off first. Got to take two of these screws off. Alright, that should just pull out of there. Don't lose your screws. Alright, so what we're going to end up doing is the red pre-filter is going to replace this snorkel. So eventually we'll get this snorkel off, but let's first get the original air filter off. That is just in here. Okay, so pretty simple. You pull out that wedge, just place it anywhere. Pull out your filter. Keep this, you'll need that, I think. Alright, so we've got this one. Okay, so I've got my dual air filter. Now, I've been watching some other videos about this as well, is that you're supposed to, or should, put some grease around here to create a seal. I don't have any grease, so I'm just going to use some of the filter oil that I have. I'm just going to put a little bit around here. I've just got the lid of it. And we're just gonna put some of this stuff just around here to create a bit of a seal. Not too much from what I understand. It's just to help keep some of the dust out. Alright, that'll do for that bit. I'm just gonna go wipe my hand. Alright, I'm back. So then we place this in here, and that just goes in there. I should have put the grease on after this bit. Anyway, live and learn. Put her in. It should fit in there quite snug. Righto. Alright, and that is now ready to slot in, so let's give that a go. Alright, so we'll put this in. Just the way you used to do it with your other one. You still need that. You put her in there. Alright, that's in nice and tight. So that's the dual air filter part done. Now we'll play with the getting the snorkel off and putting the pre-filter on. So don't lose your screws. Take these screws out. Now this should just plonk out. There we go, just pushed it out from the bottom of it. Alright, so you're still left with this. Let's get our pre-filter. Here we go. This should just go straight in up there. There's a like a little lip in there to put that in. Let's just see if my skills are good enough for that. So you can see that there's, oh, there goes a screw, bit of a lip in there that you just got to make sure that's in the middle of it. It's a bit of a nuisance. Alright, so we're in. It's nice and tight, okay? So that's that. This just goes back in how you found it. Alright, so we can get rid of the snorkel, but don't throw it out, just keep it. You might want to revert back to what you had before, or just keep it for a spare. Alright, so this just goes back in the way you put it, you took it out. Your 2 screws, you can get to it a lot easier now. There's a lot more room to work in there with that snorkel gone. Grab your 4mm Allen key. You don't have to over tighten anything. Just don't forget, you'll be wanting to clean this up whenever it gets too dusty. And that's it. Put the seat on. We're done. Alright, so it is as simple as that. It also is giving us a little bit more room to play with in there. I don't know why you need it, but yeah, let's see how this goes when I take it out. Any questions, drop us a message. Thanks for watching. Cheers guys. To help me make more content, please subscribe to my channel. Hopefully my content is getting a bit better for you. I've been told I don't smile enough, so there you go, there's one. Anyway, have a cracker of a week everyone. We'll talk to you later. Cheers.